there's a lot of land becoming available because so many farmers are aging out. A lot of land is becoming available because farmers are retiring. So if you know how to make a beautiful landscape, pollination used to say, if you know how to make a beautiful landscape, you'll never lack for land. And I mean, right now, we're leasing, probably maybe $20 million worth of land.
Wow.
For $50,000 a year. Why would you buy $20 million worth of land if you can lease it for $50,000?
Exactly, and still get the utility out of it that you would,
That's like 0.025% or something such.
Exactly. Well, I appreciate it, Joel. I appreciate you taking the call. Absolutely. And spending the time to go through all of these questions and everything like that. I know you're tired. I know it's holiday season. There's a bunch of things going on. I see you doing a couple other things. You have the podcast. You have some stuff going on. Is there anything that we can do to follow and show our support to Polyface Farms? I mean, it's been from start to finish. It's been a great guide. Even though that we're all the way over here on the West Coast, you still have principles and rules and systems that could apply to anybody. And one of the best things that I'm trying to do is, where's the best place to find Joel Salatin nowadays? Where do we keep up with your content and everything you have going on?
Probably my blog, the musings of Lunatic Farmer. I don't do it every day, but I do try to do it at a certain level of frequency.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.